जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 28th श्लोक. Sri Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna, saying that, "Oh Arjuna, I am still dealing with an aspect that even if you think body itself is Atma, I am dealing with that. Now you are in this, you are the body. So your body is a combination or assembly of few things. I already told you that. Before this body, where were these few things? What were the previous stages of these few things? When did they start making form? How were they in the previous stage? You don't know that. Now, after this death, we say, right? Because when the things gets dismantled, this body gets destroyed. That is what we are calling it as death. After death, what are these things going to be making? Where are these things going to be staying? Do you know? You don't know. So, whatever the body that you are saying that now I am the body, you don't know what is the previous stage of this body. You don't know what is the latter stage of this body. All that it is, you know, that is now the present stage of the body. And also you clearly noticing that the changes happening in this body is inevitable, unstoppable. You cannot do that. You cannot stop that. In this scenario, when there is nothing in your hand, why do you want to grieve about these bodies? Why do you want to develop attachment to these bodies? Like that, Krishna Paramatma teaching to each and every one of us, having this Upadesam running in our thoughts. Let us now repeat the same words spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Avyaktadini bhutani व्यक्तमध्यानि भारत अव्यक्तनिधनानि एव तत्र का परिदेवना. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 65th to 69th slokas of 18th chapter, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do these following 8 works. Those are, first one is Manmana Bhava, always think about me. Second one, Madbhakto Bhava, become my devotee. Third one, Madhyaji, dedicate all your actions to me. Fourth one, Mam Namaskuru, do namaskaram to me. Fifth one, Mamekam Saranam Vraja, surrender to me alone unconditionally. Sixth one, Ma Suchaha, do not cry. Seventh one, keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Eighth one, keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from the cycle of this birth and death. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall always make sure that my mind is occupied with you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do all my activities as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Narada Maharshi is now talking to Dharmaraju. Narada Maharshi saying that, O Dharmaja, Sri Krishna Paramatma came down to this earth to protect all the good people and to remove all the bad people. Sakshat Paramatma Kalarupaha Avatirnaha Asyam came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma as a death Swarupam, Mrityu Swarupam to all the bad people. O Dharmaja, Sri Krishna Paramatma has done so much of Devakaryam, so much of work has already been completed. Avasesham pratikshate. There is very tiny work is left. That is why Devakritya mellatirchi takkina paniki eduru chuchuchunden. That is why Krishna Paramatma is still living on this earth to take care of that rest of small work. O Dharmaja, I am telling you now, while Krishna Paramatma is on this earth, you all have to put every effort to make sure that your ultimate goal of your life is reached. And now, O Dharmaja, I am telling about your parents, Gandhari and Dhritarashtra. You asked me about them, right? Gandhari, Dhritarashtra, both of them has gone to southern side of Himalayas. There, the sacred river Ganga became 7 lanes, 7 streams to satisfy 7 Maharishis. Ganga became 7 streams there. That is why it is known as Saptasrotaha Prachakshate. That place is known as Saptasrota. There are so many Rishi ashramas. Gandhari, Dhritarashtra, both of them reached there. They are living there in that ashramas. They have taken snanam in that Ganga river and they have done homam. Now, only while taking water, no other food, just water, they are living their life there and just removing all kind of other thoughts from their mind. No other desires in their mind. They are completely focusing their attention upon Sri Hari, Sakshat Paramatma. Oh Dharmaja, Dhritarashtra slowly retiring from this world, mundane world. Paratah Panchamehani. Now, from today, maybe within 5 days, he is going to be completely getting retired from the entire world, and he is going to be bringing all of his attention and all his jnanendriyas focused upon Paramatma. And on 5th day, Nijyagni, Yogagni, Tatpatu Deham Budahimpa. Then he will be producing Yogagni, and within that Yogagni, he will be Tacha Bhasmi Bhavishyati. His body will be burnt into ashes. He will be left to the divine abode. Then, after seeing that, Dahimpa Chuchi Niyama Prakhyata Gandhari Ittatu Vonallaka Pranavalla Bhuniton Agnim Badun Bhuvara. Oh Dharmaja, after Dhritarashtra does like that and left to the Paramapadam, then Gandhari also enters into the same Agni. And then she also will be following Dhritarashtra to reach Paramapadam. You know what, Dharmaja? Vidura also is there. Vidurastu tad ascharyam nisamya kurunandana. Oh Dharmaja, Vidura also will be there, will be witnessing both of their departure. And Vidura will be feeling so much grief because his brother left the body. On other side, he will be feeling so happy because his brother and Gandhari left to Paramapadam. While Vidura having that mixed feelings, after witnessing the entire scene, Vidura will also be leaving to Ganta Tirtha Nishevakaha. He will be going to Tirtha Yatras. Like this, Narada Maharshi told Dharmaja, and then along with Tumbura, Narada Maharshi left to Svargam. After that, what happens, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 28th sloka. Avyaktadini Bhutani వ్యక్తమధ్యాని భారత అవ్యక్తనిధనాని ఏవ తత్ర కా పరిదేవనా. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.